Welcome to beautiful Azad Kashmir. We are flying from Rankel to Muzaffarabad. Look at the stunning green mountains of Rankel. Rankel is a peaceful village high in the hills. The views here are like a dream. You can see wooden houses and thick forests. Now we move over the Neelam Valley. This valley is full of rivers, trees, and charming villages. The Neelam River flows like a silver ribbon through the land. The drone captures the beauty from above. We pass over clear blue waters and tall pine trees. Snowy peaks can be seen in the distance. Now we reach Sharda, a historic town with ancient ruins. The views are amazing from the sky. People live simply and close to nature. We move ahead towards Athmukam. You can see the roads curving along the river. Villages look tiny from the sky but full of life. Now we are entering Muzaffarabad, the capital of Azad Kashmir. The city is surrounded by mountains and rivers. You can see houses, bridges, and busy roads. The sun shines gently over the valleys. Birds fly peacefully below the drone. Every turn shows a new beautiful view. You can see waterfalls flowing down the hills. Villagers walk on narrow paths with great care. Children wave at the camera with happy faces. We pass over green terraced farms and blooming fields. Sheep and goats graze quietly on the slopes. The drone captures clouds touching the mountain tops. Every frame looks like a postcard. We fly near wooden bridges crossing rivers. In the distance, you see the Himalayas standing tall. We move slowly over peaceful lakes and calm forests. Old forts and mosques can be seen from above. Local life goes on gently below us. You can hear the sound of wind and water if you were there. Tiny paths go through the trees like secret trails. Women carry baskets and men work in fields. Nature and people live in perfect balance here. As we reach closer to Muzaffarabad, the view changes. Now we take a higher view of the mountain ranges. Snow can still be seen on some peaks even in summer. The trees look like a green carpet on the hills. Every curve of the river adds to the beauty. The villages below look peaceful and full of life. You can see smoke gently rising from chimneys. Fields are divided in neat lines by small stone walls. Animals rest in the sunshine near wooden fences. This land is full of natural colors: green, blue, and white. We pass over small schools, mosques, and homes. People live simply, close to the earth and sky. We spot narrow suspension bridges over flowing rivers. The drone shows hidden spots you can't see from the road. Each valley is different, each turn more beautiful. You can feel the calm, the silence, the magic of nature. This is a perfect place for hiking, camping, and peace. Locals welcome visitors with smiles and warm tea. We pass by old trees that have stood for hundreds of years. As we move further, clouds float gently below the drone. You can see sunlight breaking through the mist. Each frame feels calm, fresh, and full of life. Tiny rivers flow like silver threads through the forest. Every village has its own charm and beauty. We pass by wooden huts sitting on hilltops. Flags fly proudly on rooftops, showing local pride. You may see people farming, carrying water, or walking with friends. The camera captures moments of daily life from above. You can almost feel the breeze, the cool mountain air. We fly past high cliffs and deep valleys below. Rocks and rivers shape the land with grace and power. We move past pine forests that look like waves of green. Nature here is pure and untouched. You might see a jeep moving on a rough mountain road. A group of hikers wave from a distant trail. Waterfalls sparkle as they fall from high rocks. Some spots are so hidden, only a drone can reach them. The light changes as the sun begins to set. The stars begin to appear in the sky. Night slowly covers the mountains like a soft blanket. The drone captures the last light shining on the peaks. You can see the moon rising above the hills. Villages light up with small lamps and glowing windows. It feels calm, quiet, and full of peace. In some areas, campfires burn gently near tents. People sit together, sharing stories under the stars. The rivers reflect the moonlight like silver. We fly over silent forests that sleep under the night sky. Owls and night birds begin to sing. A soft mist rises in some valleys. Even in the dark, the beauty of Azad Kashmir shines. The mountains stand tall like guardians of the night. As the drone moves slowly, each view feels magical. From the sky, everything looks peaceful and still. You can see the soft glow of city lights in the distance. Muzaffarabad looks quiet, resting after a busy day. This peaceful flight shows nature and people in harmony. As the drone rises once more for a final look, we see the wide landscape stretch far and wide. Snowy mountain tops glow faintly in the distance. Rivers continue their quiet path through the hills. A gentle fog begins to settle in the lower valleys. The air looks cold, clean, and full of silence. Some mountain roads twist like ribbons through the trees. Tiny lights from houses blink far below. The stars above seem to match the lights on the ground. Even in darkness, Azad Kashmir feels alive. You can almost hear the wind brushing the trees. In the sky, Everything looks peaceful and endless. The camera slowly turns to capture the horizon. Layers of mountains fade into each other like a painting. This final view feels like a dream you don't want to end. So much nature, so much peace in one journey. This place is a gift of the earth, full of wonder. Every second of this flight shows something special, whether it's a bird in the sky or a child waving below. As the drone glides through the cool night air, you can still see the outlines of the mountains. The peaceful sound of rivers flowing never stops. A few lights shine in far-off homes like stars on earth. This land sleeps, but its beauty never fades. We fly over tall trees standing quietly in the dark. A light breeze moves through the forest below. You feel calm just watching from above. Every part of Azad Kashmir has its own story, from snow-covered peaks to deep green valleys, from wooden bridges to fast-flowing rivers, from quiet villages to the glowing city. Nature and people live here with love and respect. This journey shows what makes this land special. A land full of colors, peace, and simple joys. Perfect for dreamers, travelers, and nature lovers. You don't need words when the views say everything. As the drone slowly returns, we take one last look. A final view of the mountains under moonlight. A goodbye from the skies of Azad Kashmir. Now the drone gently circles above the valley once more. We take a slow, deep breath with the view. Every tree, every rock, every stream feels alive. You can see nature's balance from the sky. Nothing is rushed, nothing is loud, just calm. The mountains stand like ancient protectors of the land. The rivers move with purpose, carving through time. The people live quietly, respecting the land they love. We pass over more hidden trails and sleepy villages. Sometimes, you can see smoke from a warm fire. A shepherd leads his animals home before nightfall. The sky begins to change again, from dark to deep blue. The stars shine brighter now, like diamonds in the sky. The moon lights up the river with a silver glow. It feels like time has slowed down just for us. This is the kind of beauty that speaks without words. The drone captures the land with soft, sweeping motion. No filters needed. This is real, untouched nature.